Welcome everyone. Question on inorganic chemistry. The products of the reaction are potassium iodide plus bromine. Products. Choices are A. KBr plus Bri, B. K2Br plus I2, C. K2I plus Bri, D. KBr plus I2. Answer is D. KBr means potassium bromide plus I2 means iodine. The complete balance equation of this reaction is 2Ki plus Br2 to 2Kbr plus I2. In this reaction, the oxidation number of bromine is 0 and it is reduced to form potassium bromide, where the oxidation number of bromine is -1. Again, in potassium iodide, the oxidation number of iodine is -1 and oxidized to form iodine, where the oxidation number of iodine is 0. Thank you for watching this video.